Shatta Wale, king of dancehall music, senior vibes cartel is seen in Jamaica no. Nyame Adom wababe touchdown e Ghana. I just say weni inso kachire nipa Badwam pimshiaye sebo huruye just say oh na enwanwa. This is what we call celebrity because ahemfungina kweshia Shatta Wale efedodo unhu bia ma mensengi bi encho Shatta Wale aba.
Media, go for it.
That's the ritual welcome for Shatta Wale back from Jamaica. We can all get somewhere to stand and the place is choked. The place is choked. The place is choked. So, the man we've been waiting for, he's just arrived. Shatta Wale just arrived. Just check it. Shatta Wale just arrived. Shatta Wale just arrived. Shatta Wale just arrived. He just arrived. Let's go. So, showers of blessings. Wale doing is so top. You know, showers of blessings. So, there he goes. 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 He's off. He's off. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. Showers of blessing. The man is off. He's gone. Welcome back home. Mr. Charles Nyama, Mr. Junior, I call you Charles Nyama. You know, welcome back home. So, showers of blessing.
And reporting live, Akwasi Mafu, aka Iowa 05, social media executive, multimedia group, account brands, Adom FM, Adom TV. Big up yourself. What's more, bomba me reporter, Jali. What's the Wale I've been Iowa. That is mad love.